Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. I'm a professional organizer. Here's what I can do to help you. We sort and organize abandoned boxes in your basement, making it easy for you to decide what to keep, what to sell, and what to donate. We sort paperwork, even years of abandoned paperwork, to make sure that your important documents are saved. We'll unpack you following your move to get you out of boxes quickly, within days, not weeks, getting your life back to normal. We organize kitchens so that everything that you use regularly is easy to find and access. We declutter and organize home offices so that everything you need is easily within your reach, improving your productivity. We organize closets so that you can easily access the clothes you wear all the time versus the clothes you don't wear that much anymore. We sort and organize garages so that you can fit your car in. To contact me, go to www.organizedbycatherine.ca. And I'd like to give a thank you shout out to the BACD for promoting this video. Thank you.